This is math with RHB, and we are doing subtraction of whole numbers and showing you that math is a bit of a system. It's more than a bit of a system. If you understand the system, you can make the system work for you. So, we're looking at, we're looking at doing subtraction, no calculator, right? This is where you need a fairly basic fund of math. You'll notice I've done the 3 questions, spaced them out on the page, and I've made sure that the question numbers have a dot and a bracket to separate them from the actual question, so I don't get the 2 mixed up. Otherwise I might think it's 49, take away 5, rather than this is question 4, 9, take away 5. Single digits should be fairly easy. If they're not easy for you, then you need to do more practice in that department. No one can fix that for you. Doesn't matter how many math tutors you get. All right, 9 take away 5 is 4. I've got a 3-digit number here. I skipped over, didn't even do a 2-digit number. 8 take away 6 is 2. 7 take away 5 is also 2. And 8 take away 2 is 6. That's fairly simple, and I had no borrowing. Okay, they teach you to borrow in many different ways. I usually put a stroke through it and write a different number on the top and slightly smaller. It's hard with the marker. The markers are rather fat, so it's hard to do that. But anyways, 82,706, we're taking away 49,000, sorry, 8,276, we're taking away 4,937. I took it from a bigger question. So 6, I can't take 7 from 6. If I have $6, I can't spend 7. Alright, so I need to borrow from this one. So this one will borrow, you're actually borrowing not 1, you're borrowing 10. So that's why it becomes 16. This one is going to drop down. Instead of 6 in the 10 department, or 7, you're going to have 6. Alright, so 16 take away 7, you have 9. 6 take away 3 is 3. 2 take away 9, again, can't do it, so we're going to get rid of 2. It's going to become a 12, because I'm going to borrow from here. And that's going to become a 7. So you end up with 12 take away 9 is 3. And 7 take away 4 is 3. How do I know if I did it right? All I'm going to do is add the 2, and you should get your original number. So 7 and 9 is 16. 3 and 3 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. 9 and 3 is 12. And 4 plus the little 1 and 3 is 8. 8276, 8276. Now, when I'm talking about math being a system, you're looking at, alright, if you, I can prove that by showing you a little trick with the number 9. Okay? If you choose a 3-digit number, each digit must be different. I'm just going to pick 2, 4, 7. Alright. You're going to take your 3-digit number, whatever it is, and you're going to make the largest number possible out of those 3 digits. So we have a 7, 400, so 742 is the largest I can make out of those 3. Alright. Now I'm going to reverse that, and I'm going to write it underneath. So instead of 742, I'm going to put 2, 4, 7. And I'm going to subtract it. Okay, and that's why we're doing it during the subtraction. Alright, and I'm kind of shifting off the page here. Where am I? Okay, there. Alright, so when I subtract, alright, 2 take away 7. Can't do it, obviously. Have to borrow. No. We're going to end up with 12. Take away 7 is 5. This one, okay, is going to be borrowed again, because 4 take away, I've already taken 1 from here, so I can't take 4 from 3. So this is going to end up being 13. And this one's end up going to be 6. So 13 take away 9, sorry, take away 4 is 9. 6 take away 2 is 4. Okay, so 495. So, okay, the secret with this is this number here, the 9. What makes it special is the fact that it doesn't matter, okay, what question you chose. If you subtracted correctly, if you told me the first number, I could tell you the last number. Alright, so if your first number ended in a 1, first number started with a 1, sorry, your next two numbers would be 9, 8. If your first number is a 2, your next two numbers would be 9, 7. If it's a 3, it would be 9, 6. And if it's a 4, it'll be 9, 5. And if it's a 5, it'll be 9, 4. If it's a 6, it'll be 9, 7. No, it won't be. It'll be 9, 3, pardon me. If it's a 7, it'll be 9, 2. If it's an 8, it'll be 9, 1. Alright, you'll notice 9 is a special property number. Alright, and the two digits on either side will always add to 9. So a 1 and an 8, you get 9. 2 and 7, 3 and 6, 5 and 4, and so on. 4 and 5. Alright. So if you know how to work the system can work for you. So if you aren't good at subtraction, no calculator. Start doing a few questions, find yourself an old textbook or go over some until you can get good at a fund of basic numbers and subtraction before you start using a calculator. Because eventually, if you don't understand how to do it simply, the more complex is not going to help. It's a skill building